North Inlet-Winyah Bay for the Hollings scholarship. It's the place to stay. Yeah, North Inlet-Winyah Bay for the Hollings scholarship. It's the place to stay. We all be out here working in the marsh, wearing sunscreen so it's not too harsh. We got tennis ball cans to catch the crabs, then we take them straight back to the labs. Crabs start running, it could be kind of funny. We got Ucka Minax, Ucka Pugnax, Ucka Pugulator, but we'll see the fiddlers later. Yeah, North Inlet-Winyah Bay, yeah, North Inlet-Winyah Bay. We be putting data in Excel. Our programming is used as well. Making graphs is pretty fun. Then we show everyone when it's done. Yeah, North Inlet-Winyah Bay. Hey, North Inlet-Winyah Bay. Yeah, come North Inlet.